If you're feeling a little off after the holidays, this is how to feel better in the next 24 hours without extremes. So we celebrate. We enjoy foods we don't normally eat. We live our lives. And then there's a moment where your body says, okay, I'm ready to feel better. That doesn't mean anything went wrong. It just means that your body is responding to a change in input. Different inputs create different outputs, and that's normal physiology. Yesterday, we talked about why our body feels different after celebrations. Today is about how we support it, gently and intentionally. This isn't about fixing anything, it's about returning to what helps your body feel steady again. And as we said yesterday, I'm going to repeat it again today. Number one is start with protein. Begin your day with a protein forward meal: eggs, meat, fish, or leftovers. You got some turkeys, whatever you had or have available. Protein helps to stabilize blood sugar and send a signal of safety to your body. That's what we're trying to do. And when your system feels supported, stress hormones come down and energy starts to return. This isn't restriction. Number two, support electrolytes, not just salt. When your routines change, electrolytes shift too, and they show up as fatigue, heaviness, headaches, or brain fog. And you don't need a protocol or a cleanse. A simple start: add a pinch of salt to your water. Eat whole foods that naturally contain potassium and magnesium. Prioritize magnesium-rich foods or gentle supplementation if needed. This isn't about flooding your system, it's about restoring balance. And often people are surprised how much better they feel when hydration and minerals are supported properly. And remember, as you reduce carbohydrates, those you're going to lose water and those electrolytes go with it. Number three, move gently after meals. You don't need a workout today. A short 10-minute walk after meals helps muscles take up glucose, improve circulation, and support metabolic rhythm. I want you to think of this as a communication to your body, not a correction. Number four, keep food simple. This is a day for simplicity: whole foods, familiar meals, no grazing. Simplicity gives your body the space it needs to recalibrate. Number five, create a calm evening. This is where everything integrates. Lower the lights, reduce stimulation, give yourself a calmer evening than usual. Sleep is when the nervous system resets and metabolic balance is restored. Even one good night's sleep can shift how you feel tomorrow. So, as I always say and will continue to say on this channel, consistency isn't about perfection, it's about rhythm. And when you return to what supports your body, nourishment, movement, rest, your system responds quickly. Not because it was off track, but because it knows how to adapt. You didn't do anything wrong, you enjoyed life, and now you're choosing to feel good again. This is not punishment, this is wisdom.